Hello guys, I am Arvind and in this lecture I am going to discuss a string in C programming. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss in detail. So a string is also known as a string constant, and a string is a one-dimensional array of characters terminated by a null character, and it is the representation of null character backslash and 0. Character arrays are also called strings. Now guys, moving on to next topic, and that is why we use string in C programming. So the group of integers can be stored in an integer array. Similarly, a group of characters can be stored in a character array. So strings are used by programming languages to manipulate text such as words or sentences. So let's take an example of a string. So I have declared a character array of size 5 and I have assigned a string hello, and backslash 0 is called null character here. And each character in the array occupies 1 byte of memory, and last character is always backslash 0, that is null character. And you guys should remember one point: null character and 0 are not same, because ASCII value of null character is 0 and the ASCII value of 0 is 48. It looks like two characters, but it is actually only one character. And if a string is not terminated by a null character, then it is not really a string but merely a collection of characters. So I hope it is clear to you. So guys, let's take another example of a string. So guys, I have declared a character array name of size of 10 and I have assigned a string hello world to it. So this string would be stored in memory like this, and the elements of this string are stored in a contiguous memory location. And in this declaration you don't need to put null character. C inserts the null character automatically. So let's open up the Turbo C++ compiler and I will show you how a string works in C programming. So let's go ahead. So guys, in this program I have declared a character array name and I am assigning a string hello world statically to this character array name, and I have not given any size to this character array name because it will take automatically from the string. And I have declared a variable I that is of integer type, and here I am using a condition in this while loop, and that condition is I less than 11. So where we get this number 11? So actually it is the length of this string hello world, because there are 5 alphabets in hello and 5 alphabets in world and 1 is space here. So total characters in this string are 11, so that's why I am using 11 here. And now I am printing each character from this string using printf statement. So now if I run this program, output would be like this. So it is basically printing hello world. So I hope it is clear to you. Now guys, what would happen if we make some changes in the string? So let's make some changes in this string. So guys, we have added 5 more characters to this string. So now we need to change the condition in while loop. So now the condition will be this. So now if I run this code, output would be like this. So, and again, if we make some changes in this string, then we need to change the condition again. And as you know that this approach is not good in programming, so we need to find a solution for it. And here comes the null character. So we need to create such condition with the help of null character that can work with any string regardless of changes we can make. So let's create a condition here. Name of I is not equal to null. So initially when the value of I will be 0, it will check the condition. So the name of 0, that is h, is not equal to null. So condition is true, so it will print h, and then I will be incremented by 1. So the name of 1, that is e, small e, is not equal to null. So this condition is also true, so it will print e, and then I will be incremented by 1. So it will again check this condition. So the name of 2, that is y, is not equal to null, so it will again print y, and so on. So it will print all the characters from this string until it found null character. So now if I run this code, it will print the string hey hello world. So now if I make some changes in the string, let's say we are adding programming, and now run it. So there is no need to change in our code. So I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. And if you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.